In 2026, everyone has access to incredibly powerful AI, yet the vast majority are still making $0 from it. Many people treat a chat window as a complete business, expecting raw outputs to generate income without any underlying service or strategy to guide the results. The market ignores prompt engineering as a standalone skill. Clients pay for the resolution of specific, expensive problems within their own organizations. This reveals a disconnect between a tool's raw capability and its actual utility. Knowing how to generate an output is useless without a strategy to apply it. Your income online depends on your ability to use these systems to multiply the problem-solving skills you already possess. The math behind the digital economy: human skill plus AI leverage equals a marketable service. In media, creative disciplines like copywriting form our base. Add ChatGPT and Canva as leverage, and you produce high-quality content in a fraction of the time. Add tools like ElevenLabs for realistic voiceovers or AI video generators for visual B-roll, and one creator can manage an entire short-form video production pipeline alone. Real estate agencies, corporate law firms, independent digital creators, and e-commerce brands pay for these media assets every single day. These buyers are purchasing the final product and the speed of delivery. They are indifferent to the specific AI leverage used behind the scenes to get it done. This equation scales into complex technical labor. Beyond basic media creation lies the structural engineering of the web, where developers and market researchers operate. Take a research tool like Perplexity. By applying it to an analytical skill set, you can compress hours of manual web scraping into immediate, comprehensive market research services. For development, Cursor acts as a coding multiplier. A freelancer with basic development logic can direct the AI to rapidly build functional software. The highest earning potential in this economy sits within the world of business operations and systems. By connecting disparate applications through AI automation platforms, you can build systems that autonomously handle lead collection, email marketing sequences, and performance reports. For a small business, these automation setups remove the need for entry-level salaries and thousands of manual hours previously wasted on data entry. These technical platforms don't replace the human builder. They provide the operational leverage necessary for a solo freelancer to deliver the output of a full-scale tech agency. This chaotic web illustrates the AI industry's current state. The sheer volume of platforms makes it necessary to view this ecosystem as a menu, not a mandatory checklist. Many mistakenly try to learn every new tool that launches, rather than mastering one highly marketable service. The strategy for 2026 is to pick exactly one valuable skill, find the specific AI application that increases its output, and ignore the rest of the noise. Then, build a portfolio of examples proving the quality of your results. When you pitch the service to clients, keep the AI invisible. AI provides the mechanical advantage that allows a focused, skilled individual to push their earning ceiling higher than ever before.